Hello, welcome to my channel. Well, today we have a quick video. I will show you how you can make this beautiful flower. It will be so easy and fast. I have seen that in the last fashion trends, flowers are used in so many ways, in the neck or as a belt or as a brooch in your blouse, in a dress, or even as a handbag, right? So you can make more like this one and join them and create a handbag or a beanie or so. There are so many things that you can use this flower, and now that we are starting and that we will receive spring, I think that it's an amazing idea. I will give you the material list. It's basically 100 grams of this yarn. It's between medium and bulky, number 4 or number 5, and I will use the hook of 3.5 millimeters, and I will make it in white. And with one thread and with our hook we will start making chains as a base. For example, if you want to have a flower with 30 petals, well, you will make 30 petals plus 10 chains of the first petal. In my case, I will make 35 chains plus 10. I will make 49 chains. I'm sorry, 45 chains. Okay, so here we have 45 chains. We will make one chain more. We will turn over. We will skip one, and in the next one, okay, turning over, we will insert the hook and make half double crochet. We are going to make first 9 half double crochet. Okay, and 9. So here we are making 9. Remember that we have to make 10, but the last stitch we won't make half double crochet. We will make single crochet. So we can like close and make the shape of like a petal, you see. So we won't join over, so we'll just make a single crochet right there. So this will be the number 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. One more to go up, and we again have double crochet in each space. So we will make 9 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So here we have 8, 9, and a final single crochet. Okay, so right here this single crochet, then we are going to slip one here in the chain and one more. Then again 10 chains, and we will make one more. So at the end we will have 11 to go up, right? Then yarn over, we will skip one, and in the next one we are going to make half double crochet. So at the end, remember that we will have 9 half double crochet, and then we will finish making 1 single crochet. 8, 9, and a single crochet. Okay, then we are going to slip one right here after the hole, and then right here we will go up with 10 chains, and we will make the next petal, okay, and we will start all over again. Okay, so through this strip of chains that we made as a base is where we are going to insert and where we will have hold our petals. If you are worried because of the shape of the petals, don't worry, because later we will iron the petals and they will look so much better. Okay, so once we have the 35 petals, or the petals that you want, I will show you how we are going to roll them and create the flower. And if you feel that you are making these petals a little bit loose, or you crochet loose, well, I suggest that you change the number of your hook for a smaller number. Okay, this has to be a little bit tight. Okay, so when we finish this one, we are going to slip and start right in the next chain. And like this we are going to continue until we finish the strip of chains. At the end we must have 35 petals. Well, at the end I just want to make a quick note and be clear. Here we finished to make the single crochet, then here we are about to slip one, and right here we will start with the next petal, okay? Because at the beginning I think I may confuse a bit, but well, we will continue like this all the petals. So see you when I finish. Okay, so here I have the 35 petals. I tried to iron them more or less because I want to show you and finish this video before I go. So I put a protection under a fabric here and then I iron it a little bit, and this is the result. Okay, so once you are ready and you like the number of petals that you make, then that you iron them and all of them are in order and you like it, well, now we are ready to sew. Okay, so with the same yarn and with an embroidery needle we are going to sew. I will show you how we are going to row. We are going to go in order. We are going to use our fingers. First, here I will insert the needle in the first petal. I will make a knot, so we will make sure that the thread will be right there, okay? So, okay, we are going to roll in order, and in order also we are going to join and sew, okay? So like this, with the help of our thumb we will uh, join. We will take the stitches, I mean the base chains that we made, and right there is where we are going to insert the hook. So like this we are going to continue rolling and joining and sewing like this in order, taking all the petals. That's very important that you take and that you be careful that you will take all the petals with you. And we'll like this is how we are going to take all the petals with you. At the end I will show you also another trick, because um, at the end we must have like a plate flower, but I will show you how we are going to close it, okay? So don't worry if you felt that the flower is too open, because we will close it later. Okay, so here we finished. We are going to have this result, and now I will show you how we are going to close this even more. So here at the end we are going to make extra stitches like this. We are going to pass the needle through, just alternating and passing through all the petals. Like this we will close more the flower, and that's why it's very important that you have ironed all your petals before, because once you are in this step you can come back, okay? So like this we are going to close more the flower, and then I will show you how we are going to make the strips that if you are going to use it in the neck, well, you are going to uh, use it to hold the flower all around your neck, or also if you want to make a belt, well, you can make the strips that you want, but in this case I will show you how I made mine. Well, so first I'm going to show you at the end of the strips that I made, I add a leaf and a clover. So first we will make the clover. We will make 5 chains. We will close in circle, and then we will go up with 3 chains, turn over, and inside the space right there we are going to make a double crochet out of 3 crochet, again a double crochet out of 3 crochet. So here we have 3, then after 3 chains, and again inside in the same place a single crochet. So here we have the first petal, and like this petal we are going to make 2 more. So we will go up with 3 chains, and again 2 double crochet out of 3 crochet. So here we have 2, 3, then 3 chains and a single crochet inside the ring again. Let's make the last petal. So we will go up 3 chains inside. Let's make more space. Okay, so 2 double crochet, then 3 chains, and inside a single crochet. Okay, so here we have the clover. Then we will make a long strip that these chains are going to be a little bit loose. Approximately we are going to make 1 meter and 10 centimeters, and then see you at the end of these chains. Well, guess what? I made more chains. Approximately I have 1.5 meters. So once you are sure of the chains that you have, we will make 5 chains more because we are going to make a leaf. And we are going to start increasing. So first we are going to make a single crochet. Then a half double crochet, 1 in each chain, you see? Then a double crochet. So take 1 and take the last 2. Then a double crochet out of 3 crochet, then a double crochet out of 4 crochet. Then we will have something like this, you see? Then a double crochet, and we will reduce again, and a half double crochet, and this will be the result. So first we increase and then we reduce. So now we have the leaf. But well, this is up to you. If you want to make a leaf or a clover like you started, it's okay. So now cut and let's see how we will join. Well, at the end we are going to fold it and right in half. We are going to place it with the flower right behind it, and with the same embroidery needle and yarn we are going to sew it, and like this we finish. If you want, also it's very useful that you put a brooch or so in case that you want to use it in your hair or maybe as a decoration for your dress. Or I have seen also shoes and heels with flowers on it, or maybe you can make more flowers and decorate your bag. I don't know, but right now these flowers are so trend, are like the perfect accessory for this season, right? So I hope that you enjoy making it, and that if you do, please take a picture and tag me. And well, I think it's also going to be a special gift if you are thinking to give something. And also we are close to celebrate Mother's Day, okay? So I think it will be perfect that you give something like this to your mom. But well, thank you so much for watching. This video was quick and easy and fast and very simple. If you're a beginner, it's perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember that it's very important that you are subscribed to my channel. Only the 20%, yes, the 20% of the people that watch my videos is subscribe. So please, if you are part of that percentage, subscribe. It's completely free, and if you already are subscribed, thank you so much for taking the time and for giving me this gift. Well, thank you so much for watching till the end. See you soon in the next video, and please also follow me in all my social media, and I'm new in TikTok. Thank you, take care, bye.